Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Hifybaty Wireless Trailer Lights, USB-C magnetic wireless tow light with retroreflectors, adjustable. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Stable signal transmission. Hifybaty upgraded wireless trailer lights 2.0 version operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a range exceeding 100 feet, ensuring reliable communication for enhanced safety on longer vehicles. Secure magnetic mount. New design wireless tow lights features a rubber-coated adjustable magnetic base for easy mounting on metal surfaces, tested to withstand speeds up to 50 mph without detaching. Quick USB-C charging. Our magnetic trailer lights fully charge in 2.5 hours with a USB-C port, providing up to 9 hours of continuous use for dependable lighting when you need it. High brightness and longevity. Equipped with ceramic base bulbs for superior brightness and heat dissipation, Hifybaty magnetic trailer lights offering visibility up to 1 mile with a lifespan of 60,000 hours. Durable and weather resistant. Our magnetic trailer lights for towing is in IP67 waterproof rating and operational temperatures from -23 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various vehicles and extreme weather conditions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.